But like, we can have drinks like, or you can get like a 6-pack or like a 40-ounce and bring it up there, I guess. Oh, hey guys, so we're in Rio right now, walking through the street over here on the way to get some food, and this entire street is just packed with like restaurants and bars. It just looks like a lot of nightlife. But you won't go hungry in this place. There's foods everywhere, and I think we turned a little too early actually. Supposed to turn on the next block. So I think the beach is straight ahead. That's where we're heading to right now. Look, they got their own version of city bikes here. Orange one called Ital. Which beach is this one? Oh, yo, this Colombia spot looks like a good place to have a beer too. Yeah, but I want like a real like rooftop bar or something. Just have a toast. Damn, this entire town's like tourist. And it's like beach vibe, just chill overall. I'm sure most of these people here are tourists. Alright, let's see which beach this one is now. Go back to my Google Maps. Okay, I honestly think I screwed up. We should have turned over there. One of the beaches, either Copacabana or the other beach. Hey, look, this kind of reminds me of Miami, right? Look at these high rises. All right, should we just get the food first, all right? Yeah. Yeah, this beach is Copacabana. Copacabana Beach. Welcome to the infamous Copacabana Beach in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Miami got nothing on this though. Because like the whole coast of Brazil is beaches, whereas like for Miami and just that part of Florida, it's like small in comparison. What people come here for. They come here for the beaches. All else. Yo, if you want a sunset drink or like toast, that bar right there, man. Get a drink and then you can sit on the beach. That's it. We already decided what the spot for tonight at least. We're gonna do like a toast later. Trip. We just did some New York City street jaywalking. We literally, this traffic never ends. So in order for you to cross it, you just have to be a very aggressive jaywalker. Okay, finally we got a red light. This Uber driver's a nice guy. He's stopping. People here are super freaking chill, super friendly. Then you go first, flashing your thumbs up. Are you? Okay. Super quick over here. Copacabana. This beach, man. Yo, look at that back there, the mountain. I think that's the tram. Hey dude, if you want to take a picture, you gotta take it from this. All right, don't try this at home, folks, but we're gonna do this jaywalking across the street again. All right, we got red lights, so we're good over here. We're gonna come back on sunset to get footage of the beach. So then that way, it's gonna be beautiful sunset and the beach footage for you guys. Yeah, I feel like the people here are more, well actually no, not really, because I remember in Sao Paulo, you remember when that guy put up his hand for the car to stop, the Uber driver was like, yo, get the hell out of here. Right. So it depends. They don't stop for everybody. So we gotta go straight.
Which way? This way?
Straight. Right. I'm gonna save the camera. I only have a certain amount of battery I can use. So I'm gonna save the camera for when we head to the stairs and for the sunset and the beach. Get like a couple more seconds of these streets. Okay, we found the spot, guys. We're going to this Brasero. It's a low-key chicken spot. Obrigado. So we're gonna go get some food over here. Look, they actually do the ugly roasted chicken with sesame in there. Freshly made. It's called Brasero here in Rio de Janeiro.